Nimbin, I think they call it the Nimbin. Let's just pause this. There you go, get a better look. Can't really see him that good. Alright, we're just coming into Nimbin. Bit of a little creek happening down here. Oh, not a creek, a bit of a flood. I can see a car on its side. Oh no, it's not on its side. It's in a bit of trouble, but looks like it's got flooded through here pretty badly. There's another car. Oh, this one's got a log through the bloody windscreen. Look at that. Oh, wow. Bit of pipe or something. Wow, that's bloody lucky, eh? Yeah, as I was coming along here, I've come from Lismore to Nimbin. Lots of places along here. They're places that you'd never think would flood. Like there might be one house every 5 k's, but they've got all their stuff thrown out the front. It's just you drive along there any other time, you think water would never get to them. So we must have bloody got some water, I tell you. Alright, let's go to Nimbin. Bit of a hole in the road here. Just a little one. Wow. Just a little bit of Nimbin. What's happening in Nimbin? Murwillumbah. Let's see if we can get to Murwillumbah. I don't know. The roads are probably washed away down there, I think. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Wow, it's a new estate. Alright. Looks like we've got some more flooding. Jeez, the road's bad coming out of Nimbin, guys. Need a 4-wheel drive. You want to know something, guys? I just realised something. Probably about 10 k's out of Lismore, Nimbin. Haven't seen any cars coming this way. I just swear. Probably the road's blocked off, and you're probably going to go all the way back to Lismore. That will be awesome. Oh, I bet I do. I haven't seen a car, guys. I didn't see any signs saying the road was blocked. Oh, it's not good, guys. There's no cars. There's none to the left. This is the main road. Border Ranges. Last time I went to Border Ranges, I come back through here and my bloody motor nearly fell out. My gearbox fell out. Snap the engine, the gearbox mount on the combo. There's border rangers. Hello, border rangers. I think I've got to turn around. Oh no, that's devastating. Wonder if I can make it to Kyoga that way. No, I remember coming here ages ago. This bridge wasn't even here, it was just the old bridge, a wooden one. Oh shit. No. Yeah, if you go up that road, it takes you up the bottom of Border Ranges, Talalban, or whatever it is, I don't know. Brings you back out at, what's it called? Crystal Creek, that area. You can cross back over the border, back into Queensland. Alright, keep going. I don't know if you can see that. See our bridge, she's washed away, she's brand new. It's not good, bit of optic fibre around the pole there. Alright guys, there's been a couple of good landslides. I forgot to film the one back there, it was pretty huge. So this is the road this is from Nimbin to Murwillumbah. Slow. Oh wow. Just a couple. Didn't realise it until I drove past it, but I just went past the Charlie Hall Dam, guys. Wow. That creek there, guys, to the left, just back there. I don't know if you can see it, man. It's just pull over. Alright guys, I'm going to end that one. I've got to make some more room. Running out of space. Alright, see you on the next one.